Okay, little progress video. I started just about 11 o'clock or so, taking the gas tank offside cover and the seat on the Norton. Let's swing around here and we'll talk about the Norton, what I've done in the last couple of hours. This whole left side of the bike has been stripped off. Muffler, the electrical in the back, the foot peg, the rear brake assembly master cylinder. I'll show you on the bench in just a moment. This is working towards the fact that we're going to replace the isolastic suspension. This is your isolastic for the head. This is the isolastic in the front of the motor, the rubber mount that lets the motor vibrate without braking. And then under here, in this area right in here, is the rear isolastic. That's the one that's a pain, because to get at that, the rear tire chain, rear wheel, plus chain, plus caliper, plus shock absorber, plus fender, plus oil tank, plus battery box, all have to be taken off in order to jack the engine up, pull this bolt out, drop this unit down far enough to get at it to put the new rubbers inside. At the same time, we're going to take out this airbox and put in a smaller one, because all that has to come out to get this airbox out. So this is not something you can do casually. To get that out, everything in the back has to come out. So that's what I've done for the last 2 hours. I've stripped down this side of the bike. Now going over to the other side, we'll stop off at the bench. This is all the stuff I've taken off so far. Spacers, bolts, foot peg, brake pedal, Kickstarter, master cylinder that we're going to try to rebuild, all the rubber mounts for the Z-bar, Z-plate and muffler. These are plates that mount these rubbers which cushion that muffler, and this is your hydraulic brake system. This hose is going to be replaced. All this has to be cleaned up and reused. So that's what I've been doing, taking all that out, and let me tell you, some of it comes out real difficultly. And over here, I'm getting ready on this side of the engine. I'm going to take off, once again, the muffler, the Z-plate, the chain. I'll jack it up, take off the rear wheel and fender, and then drop the airbox out. So that's next, but I've run out of time today, and that's about as far as we're going to go, because I have to take off now and go do some other type work. So this is just a progress video to show you guys what's happening. And that is all.